you miss the opportunity. Yes. If you know the simple tricks, you can also earn minimum 300 to 500 points from Nifty. How? Here we go. Last couple of days we saw Nifty going down and down. As per technical, is there any logic for this correction? Let's check out the chart. First, check out the CCI chart, which I used the Woody's indicator. You can also use normal CCI indicator value 21. Check the price trends as usual, which is showing bullish when we add a line on top candles. Let's check and mark the top area. Here is the first higher one. And here is the second one, which is higher high. Let's check the relation on CCI indicator. On CCI, top higher to second higher trend is negative direction. On same time you can see the candle on positive trend direction. Means it's vice versa on both pattern. Now try to draw a line from bottom to middle extreme hook and extend the line. This will identify the breaking level. It's 17600 area to sell. Now time to cross-check our confidence. Let's check the RSI for concrete confirmation. RSI on top area high to low direction, which means the same as CCI indicator. If we draw a line with middle extreme hook, then we can see the same result as CCI indicator showing earlier. And now you can see the Nifty running price, which is near 17000 mark. Now choice is yours. That's all for the day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.